Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Pani Puri Magic Treats by Jalani. This is ready to make Pani Puri at home. In this pack they will give puris, pudina pani, khatta meeta imli pani and khajur imli chutney. And at the back we'll see the MRP. The MRP is 50 rupees. And manufacturing date is August 2020 and it's best before 12 months from manufacturing. And at this side they have given how to make or else direction for use. Now we will see how the package looks from inside, how they have given the pani puri, how they have given the sachet of all the mix. Okay, the packaging is normal packaging. The packaging is really good. For 50 rupees can't expect more also. Here the first packet is khajur imli chutney and this is the pani puri, like we need to fry it. And next is khatta meeta imli pani powder and pudina pani powder. These three sachets are in the form of powders. We need to mix it in water and this we need to fry. Okay, now I will show how the consistency is there of these powders after mixing in water. Okay, let's start it. Before preparing, we will read out the direction for use. Puris is similar: heat oil up to frying temperature 180 to 185 degrees Celsius and simmer the gas. Fry puris for 8 to 12 seconds. And pudina pani, these all three powders is just to take 500 ml and mix the powder, that's it. They said to take in instructions that we need to mix this powder in 500 ml, but in my home there is no one to eat apart from me, so I don't want to waste the powder, so I have taken 250 ml of water. So I will add only half of this powder, means full packet I will not put, only half I will put in this water. So I will show you and at last I will taste it, and also I will say really it's only to see it's good or in taste also it's better. Okay, first I'm going to add khatta meeta imli pani powder. It smells more like jaljeera, so I'm going to add only half the powder because I have taken only 250 ml, so I'm not going to add full. If you want to use full powder from this packet, then you need to take 500 ml. Okay, I think this much is enough. Yeah, this is more like jaljeera powder. Okay, I'll mix it well. I have mixed this water well. I will taste this and see. Wait a second, I'll taste it and say you. Yeah, this is like very similar to jaljeera powder. I'll keep this aside and mix other two powders also. See here, now I have mixed the three powders. After mixing it looks like this. Okay, Now we will fry these puris. Okay, I kept oil to heat, so we will wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the oil get heat for certain temperature. Then we will put these puris in oil. They said that there are totally 50 puris, but I don't know how many puris are there in this. I did not prepare full puris. I prepared only some to show you. So I have the size of puris are in this size. They are very tiny. So now I will taste the puri and say you is it good to buy or no. Okay. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಪಾಪ್ಕಾರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಮಂಚದ ಮೇಲೆ. For 50 rupees, these puris are really yummy to have. I did not make any potato smash which to fill in this. I just made only from the ingredients which was available in that box. So you just need to buy this. Like if you don't want to go outside and buy something in this corona, like because of any other reasons, you can buy this. This pack is also available in online. I will give the link in the description box, and I suggest you to go for it because the taste of the water or pani puri is exact as same as you go if you go and buy in shops, or if you go and eat in shops. What is the taste? This is the exact taste, similar, like exact, I can say, not similar, also exact taste. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Bye bye.